She says, I'm not getting off the phone until you tell me what's really going on. I'm not getting off the phone until you tell me what's really going on. And it was in that moment where I had to make a decision. Was I going to continue to dance around the obvious issue that I was experiencing? Or was I going to be honest, open, and transparent?
My name is Amanda Blair, and I am currently the Assistant Director of the Aggie Health and Wellness Center at New Mexico State University. I think your presentation was very raw. It was real, came with a lot of passion and emotion, clearly based on what the audience felt. You're relatable. I think you had an ability to break the ice and really discuss mental health in the way that it needs to be discussed.
One love, one heart, let's get together and feel alright.
Oh my gosh, today's presentation was so amazing. I loved every second of it. Everyone struggles a little bit, that nobody goes to actively seek help unless they're in that dark moments in their life. You should go and seek help even when you're not needing help, so you already have that established.
I decided to go to UWF. It's my first year of college. I'm the first in my family to ever do anything like this. And so there's a lot of excitement. There's a lot of enthusiasm. I'm like, I'm ready. I can do this. And there's this quote that really speaks to my experience. It says, everyone has a plan until they get punched in the mouth. Don't laugh at me. Who laughed? Everyone has a plan until they get punched in the mouth. And it wasn't until my second semester of college where life punched me in the mouth. I had no idea that college would be that hard, but as a freshman, I was a full-time student. I was working a full-time job. I had my own apartment. And I went from being this 18-year-old kid to now paying bills and taking care of myself. So I'm like, yo, this ain't as easy as I thought. I decided that for the first time I was going to open up, and I remember that day I told her everything. I told her how I wasn't sleeping at night. I told her how I wasn't eating. I told her how I didn't have motivation, and I didn't know what was going on. She listened to me and she says, it sounds like you're depressed. I'm thinking to myself, well, I thought depression was a sign of weakness, but now someone is telling me depression is a real thing. Mental health is a state of well-being. Mental health is what? Mental health stigma is a label that people give individuals with mental illness. Now, when we talk about mental illness or depression, it's a health condition that affects the way we think, the way we feel, and the way we behave. So if at any point you feel that you may be dealing with any issues, any challenges in your life, know that you're not alone. It's okay to seek support, and there's help for you.